everyone, I am Shanmati, studying in Vivegam Girls Higher Secondary School, Darapuram. Now I am going to tell about the flawless coaching given by Vivegam Higher Secondary School. I found no difference between the school and online classes, as online class is exactly the same and more interesting as what we have experienced in the school earlier. In schools, we would be played prayer song before starting the classes. Do you think we miss it in online classes? No. Every Monday before starting online classes, prayer song would be played to get a positive vibration as we used to do in the schools. In schools, teaching is done by explanation in the board, but in online classes, teacher shares the subject related pictures, videos and documents to get better understanding and conceptual learning. In schools, teachers ask one or two students about the knowledge of previous classes, but in online class paves the way for all the students to chat their answers using the common chat. In slip test conducted in schools, we would be preparing our own, but in online classes, the quiz test and the oral test conducted before every slip test helps us for 100% completion of the subjects. Not only slip test, term tests are also conducted in a live manner, before which we are given complete revision and doubt clarification sessions. What we do if we get a doubt? Just simple. In online classes also, we are encouraged to ask our doubt in the private comment in the Google Classroom doubt clarification assignments. Worksheets are also being given to the NEET students to revise the previous concepts. Are we doing classwork and homework even now? Of course, yes. In Google Classroom assignments, we are asked to submit the classwork and homework before the assigned time. In case of absence of any students during the online classes, they are immediately dialed and asked to join. There may be chances of missing the corrected papers in schools, but in online classes there are no such chances, as the papers are being saved in the corresponding Google Classroom files. Apart from teaching, our correspondent sirs often arranges meeting, sends videos to keep us motivated. In case of any difficulty, we are asked to contact our coordinator at any time. Are we trained only for State Board? No. In addition to State Board, NEET, we are also being trained for KVPY examinations amidst this pandemic also. One of the most interesting thing in the online class is the Dhruva Google test conducted regularly enhance our knowledge to face the competitive examinations. As like in schools, we are also arranged parents-teachers meeting after the cumulative test, which helps the parents know about the children's educational status. We are also given government holidays as such in schools. In short, Vivegam lays a strong foundation in the educational career of every student. Thank you.